Do you ever struggle with your social media? Do you ever struggle with knowing what to come up with next? Do you just want some more direct bookings? Well, I'm hosting a 5-day challenge. I'm Bart Sobies from iBooked.online's Book Direct website. I've helped thousands of owners with their Book Direct website and Book Direct strategy. What I want to do is I want to show you the latest tools that we're using that will revolutionize your business. So I'm going to host a 5-day challenge, and through 5 sessions, what you're going to learn is how to use AI to improve your copywriting, how to create a social media plan, how to optimize your search engine rankings, how to create an effective lead magnet. You'll discover how AI can be used to save you time and effort whilst allowing you to focus on what you do best in your business. And we'll show you how to use AI to get more direct bookings as well. But that's not all. You'll also be able to connect with like-minded business owners, and we'll all share our tips and tricks on the best ways to use AI to be successful in our businesses. Look, it's super simple. Just sign up below. You're going to get all the information that you need. I'm looking forward to seeing you during these sessions.